Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to check on how to download videos and WhatsApp photographs from your WhatsApp without even telling your friends to send you the photos or some of the clips that is in their statuses without maybe their notice or without them noticing that you have downloaded. This is how to do it. First, you go on to the Play Store, you type WhatsApp status downloader or status saver. And there's a variety of so many applications that can save or download the status videos and photographs. And one thing we have to consider is the rating of the application. The second one is the size of the application. The third one is the reviews that other guys who have downloaded the app and maybe used their experience from when they use the application. And the fourth one is how many downloads have been made. The better the application, the higher the number of downloads that maybe guys are likely or the likelihood of people downloading the application is very high. Let's start, and let's start with the first option. It has a 4.8 rating, 5.2 megabytes in size, and 5 M plus downloads. We go to the reviews, and here is where you check on the reviews. I can see somebody saying this is a great app over the application. It is another guy saying this is not an app. Another one saying this is a very terrible app, and the dominant comment is like this is not likely to perform. Let's check on the second one. Here's how to do it. Check on the reviews and check on the main dominant comments. I can see a guy telling me do not download. The other one saying this app is good but I don't like it. It's simple and fast. So out of 3, 2 are bad. Okay, we go to the third one. The first rating is like this is a great one. Another one saying this is not an application. Another one is saying a terrible app. Again, the dominant one is the negative one. Okay, we go to the fourth one. It is a 4.1 MB in size, 4.1 rating, and 5 M plus downloads. And I can see this app are so irritating because of the adverts. I love the app. It's a great application. There we see a dominant win-win or a positive comment for the application. Let's give a try. Let's wait for a download, and I think it is going to install automatically, so we can open and view whether it is going to function properly. A minute. I think we are done. Let's wait for the application to install, and then we can tap to open. We have to give permissions to the application, and I think with this, here is where you can view the images. And if maybe you find a nice quote, you just tap on the photo and then you can download, or even you can share to another person. If it is a video, you just press on the video, you download. And I think with that, I think it is a nice application, and this is how to evaluate the application. If you like the guidelines, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you guys.